What's going on, guys? Crypto Richie here hanging out with you. And I think I'm going to close out this trade and sell one of my Rekt guys. Rekt guys been pumping like crazy the past couple days. I think it's going to go higher, but I want to take my capital out. I got one for 0.65. The floor is 1.079. Not a bad time to kind of get some money back. If we take a look at the activity here, on Rektguy. Cool project, by the way. You can see 6 minutes, 8 minutes, 18 minutes ago, 19 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago, they're selling. They're selling. It's not pumping like crazy right now. Usually, if they're pumping, you'll see them sell every minute, every 10 seconds or so, and a transaction will come in. But I think if we list mine at, 1.2, in that area, I think we can do good. I think we'll be able to sell it. So in this quick video, I'm going to go ahead and list one of my Rekt guys right here. Number 276, rarity rank 4863. You can see I got him a day ago at 0.65. So, I mean, if we put him at the floor, we could sell him right away at 0.105. But I think we're going to kind of go a little bit higher. Let's refresh quick and see. 1.079 is the floor. 1.079. If we click here, items, we'll be able to see what we're competing with here. I got to click on buy now. And this is what it looks like. 1.135. Could put them anywhere around here. 1.14, Maybe I'll put them up for 1.135. Just get them up there. So we'll just click sell. 1.135. Okay, it's 2100. Let's just double check. Yeah, he'll probably sell super quickly by tomorrow. So I'll just put this up for a day, just in case it doesn't sell. We can reprice it or whatever. But that's pretty much what you do. It depends. If I wanted to get rid of this thing quickly, I would price them at the floor because somebody would scoop it in an instant. You know what I mean? Like I would just price it at like on the top row here, 0.1075, or anywhere in this top row. Actually, anywhere in the top two columns here. It's a good place to sell the floor, But if you feel like you want to wait a little bit more, because when these things go, like the floors could get swept and eaten up in minutes, like literally. Like I had a bunch of Soul Punks on the Solana chain. I had 25 of them that I was buying like at 4 Solana, 5 Solana. I had them all listed between 8 to 10 Solana, and then one day, boom, they were all gone. Like literally in minutes, somebody just swept the whole floor, gone, boom, and then now the floor is back down to 4. So you gotta know where you want to get out because you could get wrecked. That's why I like this NFT. Actually, it's funny as hell because it's Rektguy. Like everybody's getting wrecked. We're in a bear market. Everybody's getting wrecked. So I would like to, I'm going to probably keep one of these. I'll probably flip some, make some money off some, and then keep one as part of my collection. We'll see how it goes. All right, so I kind of want to get rid of mine. So I'm going to price him at around 1.15 or whatever. And we'll see what happens. I'll probably make a follow-up video to this and let you know how much I actually sold it for. So if you want to learn more about NFTs, flipping, making some side hustle income with NFTs and cryptocurrency and altcoins and whatnot, don't forget to subscribe to my Crypto Waters newsletter by clicking over here at the top right to card, one of those cards up there, or down below in the description. We've got some really cool things going on in the pipeline. I'll show you how you can make a lot of money flipping NFTs and whatnot. Talk to you soon. It's Crypto Richie here. Peace.